In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Squarespace email marketing to engage with your audience effectively. If you're starting out with Squarespace's email marketing tools, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive in and explore how you can create a new campaign. To begin, navigate to your Squarespace account and access the Email Campaigns dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice the Create option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This is where your email marketing journey begins, and you have some exciting options to consider. Now, you're presented with a choice: to create a blast campaign or an automated campaign. Let's delve into what each of these options entails so that you can decide which one best suits your needs. A blast campaign is perfect if you're looking to send out a one-time email. It's great for announcements, promotions, or newsletters that are intended for immediate consumption. For example, if you've just launched a new product or have an update on your service, a blast campaign is an ideal choice. On the other hand, if you're planning to engage with your audience based on their actions or behavior, consider choosing an automated campaign. This option is triggered by specific subscriber actions, making it a wonderful tool for nurturing relationships and encouraging engagement without manual oversight. For instance, automate a welcome series for new subscribers or set up abandoned cart reminders for those who didn't complete their purchase. This is the stage at which you decide the nature of your communication. So take a moment to assess your goals and audience needs. If you're unsure, start with a simple blast campaign to get a feel for how your audience interacts with your emails. As you grow more comfortable and understand the engagement patterns, you can gradually introduce automated campaigns to further streamline and personalize your outreach efforts. Squarespace provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to create visually appealing and effective email campaigns. Plus, there are templates and customization options to ensure your emails align with your brand's identity. Don't forget to preview your emails to see how they'll appear on different devices and adjust your content accordingly. Being clear about your intention with each campaign will guide the type of content and calls to action you include. Always remember, successful email marketing isn't just about sending emails, it's about sending the right emails to the right people at the right time. Take care to respect your subscribers by maintaining a frequency that keeps them engaged but not overwhelmed. And there you have it. You're now ready to embark on or enhance your email marketing journey with Squarespace. Remember to monitor your results and adapt your approach as necessary. The insights you gain will be invaluable. Enjoy connecting with your audience in new, creative ways. Happy emailing!